Welcome to the Brooklyn, NY BPO company website. You are now at the right place. Whether you're interested in buying or selling residential or commercial property, this is the place to be. Brooklyn, NY BPO LLC serves the 5 boroughs: Brooklyn, the Bronx, Staten Island, Queens, and Manhattan. We are pleased to offer exceptional real estate services to homeowners, banks, asset companies, portfolio managers, hedge funds, REITs, and private equity firms. Our clients include many of the largest bank entities in the U.S. We have a rich background in REO disposition. Our team is experienced and fully committed to providing you with the best real estate experience. Brooklyn NY BPO is here to assist you with all your real estate needs. Make that choice. Call us today.